What is up everyone, and today I'm going to show you how you can create ultra cool high converting AI song ads just like this one.
This is Mark, he runs a brand. He cuts every single ad by hand. One a day, the same tired face. Same old hook, the same losing race. By Friday, the ad.
These AI song ads are literally one of the most high converting ad formats we have tested so far in 2026. And if you don't want to be left out on this crazy trend right now, then go ahead and watch this whole tutorial. Because the craziest thing is that the whole workflow basically revolves around Claude. So for this to actually work, we need the following MCP. It's on polarisugc.com. And then you can see you have the MCP field here. You're just going to press on it, copy the URL, bring it into Claude, press on this little plus, then you go to connectors, add connector, and you're gonna add this as a custom connector. And that is literally it. This is the exact ad format that helped our clients scale with a CPA of literally $4 to like maybe at the highest $25. So as you can see, this literally converts like crazy and is the meta for Facebook ads right now. So once the connector is set up, you will attach a reference image of some type of ad or just like a style you basically want to copy. Then the next step is going to the resources tab on polarisugc.com and then create AI cartoon ads that print. You're just gonna press on this doc because this is the ultimate SOP file on how to create these ads. And by the way, click the link below if you actually want to make these extremely high converting ads like I'm about to show you. And this is literally so easy. All of the prompts are literally just to copy and paste, so anybody can do it. So we are gonna go ahead and do exactly that. So I'm gonna copy and then paste the first prompt back into Claude. So we're gonna say we want this of a middle-aged man, because we want basically this exact guy here, and it's just a middle-aged man. And now let's talk about the product and slash problem. So our problem that we are trying to target is that people are trying to scale ads, but they don't know exactly how. So we are gonna do that right here. Okay, so basically now I just input my own information into this prompt, and now I'm just gonna hit enter. So as you can see, now it just asks me for the image model, so I'm gonna go with Nano Banana Pro. The reason I want this model is because this is a cartoon ad. If this was like highly realistic or I needed some text, for example, to show up, I would rather go with GPT Image 2, but in this case Nano Banana Pro is just fine. So as you can see, we now have this character image generated, and in my eyes, it's literally fucking perfect. Like you have the same tired man holding a coffee mug. So once you're actually happy with the start frame or with the first character image, what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this like script prompt and then just paste it back into Claude. So as you can see, the whole workflow is literally only copy pasting. So as you can see, the script just landed and I'm actually pretty happy with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the prompt again. I'm going to generate here the scene images copy and once again just paste it over. It is so fucking simple, guys. Literally anyone can do this. And yeah, it's just so easy. And by the way, Polaris has a discount going on right now where you get 50% off, which is honestly just crazy. You can use this for literally $20 a month. So go ahead, get it right now. It's only for the first 50 people. So now literally all of the frames have loaded in. So the next thing is once again just copy and pasting a prompt. This is going to be the animation prompt. So this is turning every single clip into a 5-second video clip without any audio. So I'm just gonna hit enter and then I will have all of my clips ready. Okay, so as you can see, all of the clips have landed now. I think they all look really great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download all as a zip. So I'm gonna open this link, then I'm gonna go back into this file and instead of a voiceover, I'm gonna generate the music. So I'm just gonna paste this in to Claude and then say also generate it with the singing and the whole script. So that is exactly the only thing you have to change to actually turn this into a like singing ad. So I'm just gonna hit enter and then the music will land too. And then we're just gonna bring everything into the editor of our choice, in my case CapCut, and I'm gonna see you there. So as you can see, I'm now in CapCut. I'm gonna import this. And the beautiful thing also about Polaris is that you literally get everything inside of a folder. The files are named properly, so you just scroll down, you select all, you import them, and you just drag them in. It's already in the right order. It is literally so that simple. Okay, so as you can see, I now literally have the finished whole entire ad. So I'm just going to show it to all of you guys really quickly on screen.
This is Mark, he runs a brand. He cuts every single ad by hand. One a day, the same tired face. Same old hook, the same losing race. By Friday, the ad is dead and gone, and his CPMs keep climbing on. He's not out of ideas, that's not the trap. He's out of ads, that's the gap. He made them one at a time, that's all. Agencies and editors just stalled. Nobody fixed the actual cause. No wonder nothing worked, that was the flaw. Now this is Leo, same kind of brand. He types one line in 20 ads land. Cartoons and clay and faces that feel real. By Monday he's tested the whole reel. One full ad in 3 minutes flat. It ships to Meta and TikTok, that's that. He wakes up and they're already made. Mark's still cutting while the winners get paid. Don't be like Mark, PolarisHookSeed.com.
And yeah, that is literally it. It couldn't be any easier. And this is literally a winner fucking ad. So if you want to create an AI ad like I just did in this tutorial, go to the checkout on the link below and then use the code AI50. It's only reserved for the first 50 people, so you actually need to be fast and create your first winning ad today.